Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya, and finally I'm doing Saturday morning mix. Oh boy, I think it has been a couple of months since the last time I did Saturday morning mix. I think before we move. Saturday Morning Mix an idea by Jill Norwood. I'm gonna link her channel below. She is encouraging us, to craft on Saturday, and we share it, with everyone through YouTube or even Instagram by using hashtag Saturday Morning Mix. So let's get started. First of all, I made this card. Like a gingerbread coffee card. This was the idea. It's from Lawn Fawn Challenge, as to use coffee or tea products to make a card. So I use only these two dies. So I used the teapot die and the cup, and I used the gingerbread add-on for the build a house. So I made this card. Then I have happy holiday sentiments in the middle. Cute. Next, I made a tag. Cute tag. So the background I used Altenew inks, and for the die, this die by Spellbinders. I don't know the name, but I have the number if you are interested. And the scent and the flower from, I think it's Hobby Lobby. And I used a sentiment from Beautiful Day stamp set. What else? Yeah, and this leaf, I was lazy to put all the flower, and I said, you know what, let me just do the leaves and take a flower from, these just ready-made flower. Okay, what's next? Okay. Next, I made this cute gift card holder. This is the snowman, and the main die is this one, and it's by Art Impression. Where's the snowman? Yeah, this is the snowman. So cute. There is a coffee, cat, pumpkin. They have so many, add-on, to decorate your card. He made these 3 cards, the postage cards. So cute. And for the sentiments, I use Pink and Main sentiments. And the stamp for this card, I used this stamp set and coordinate. No, I didn't use the dies. This one called Winter Fun. Winter Fun. So cute. And for the other 2 cards, I used this set. This one called Under the Tree. So cute. And I color them using Copic markers, and of course the main die, which is the postage die and the stencil, and this is the regular size A2 size. Last but not least, this card, Peace on Earth. So for the background, I used this embossing folder. And for the dove, I used this greenery stamp. I didn't use the stamp, I just used the dies. Let's see if it has a name. Yes, called Peaceful Dove Details. And for the for the alphabets, I used these 2 alphabets by MFT. And this card is dedicated to Palestine and what's going on Palestine, especially in Gaza. It has been a year for this genocide, and still it's ongoing. And I really, if you are a good reader, I highly suggest reading this book, The Ethnic Cleansing of Palestinian People, by an Israeli writer and historian. His name is Elian Pape. So he will explain what is going on in Palestine. It has been, occupied since 75 or 76 years now by the Israeli regime. Okay, so I wish and I pray for peace on earth in every and each country, because everyone deserves to live you know, a peaceful life. So that's what I have today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.